Nintendo Labo Toy-Con 2 Robot Kit. Everything you need is in the box. Cardboard sheets and a Nintendo Switch game card. The game is played using Toy-Con creations assembled yourself from the cardboard. Now, let's take a look at the robot kit. The robot is a Toy-Con that you wear. First, equip the visor on your head, wear the backpack on your back, and robot shoes on your feet. Finally, grab the robot arms in your hands. Now you're ready for action. Extend your arm forward to punch, move your feet to walk, and lean left or right to change direction. Use your body movements to control the robot and destroy everything in the city. Buildings, cars, even UFOs, to rack up a high score. Spread your arms to enter flight mode. Flying lets you see the city from a different perspective. You might discover something you hadn't seen before. If you crouch, your robot will enter car mode. Lower your visor to enter first-person mode and see the world through the eyes of your robot. What's this? The robot is growing even bigger. By completing various challenges in challenge mode, you'll unlock new abilities. Charge energy and release it all at once with a long-distance charge punch. If your robot is falling in-game, stand on one leg to perform a corkscrew kick. Extend your arms while in car mode to change to plane mode and fly through the sky. And if you lower your visor, aim at a target and thrust both your arms forward, you can unleash a powerful special beam. Learn more abilities to gain more freedom over how you control your robot. The robot kit has a variety of other modes too. You can insert screws into your Toy-Con to change your robot's color scheme. In ROBO-STUDIO, you insert the Nintendo Switch system inside the Toy-Con and sounds will play when you move. You can set lots of different sounds to your movements. If you have two robot Toy-Con, you can enjoy intense robot battles with another player. With lots of modes, there's plenty to play with the robot kit. Become a robot and rampage. Make, play, discover. Nintendo Labo Toy-Con 2 Robot Kit.